I've really been looking forward to getting this one on the turntable. It's a 1966 Corvette Pro Touring. Has a street shop chassis underneath, all updated. A new LS3 motor under the hood, 495 horsepower. 6-speed automatic trans, all leather interior, air conditioning, cruise control, and it has a paint job to die for. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment on it, including this one right here. You can scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Gentleman's owned this car since 1992 and recently had it professionally built like you see it now and only put 400 miles on it since it was finished. It was done at a shop that's done some real high-end Corvette builds. The body is excellent. The headlights fit, the fit on all the gaps is all pristine like a Mercedes. Everything is straight. I don't see any signs of damage, funny areas. Look at all the gaps right here. It's spot on. Oh, it opens so easily, shuts so easily. No issues. This is all square and flush, so it lines up and it's flush. No damage, no cracking. I don't see any body work showing. This is all fantastic. There's a little tiny nick right there. The jambs are even painted all slick. Shuts like a new car. The color is amazing. It looks like a candy color. It looks like a piece of wet candy. The metallic is laid out evenly, and it is polished absolutely straight, smooth, glossy. I mean, that little tiny nick's probably the worst flaw in the entire car. It has the Stinger hood on it. You don't feel the black stripe. And if you notice, there's a custom spoiler integrated right into the car, molded into the car there. Here's the other little tiny nick. It's like the tip of a pencil. That's how small it is. All the chrome looks like it's been replaced. The grille, the bumpers, the cross flags, emblems, the stainless moldings around the window, the vent window frames, the bow tie mirrors, all of that looks like it's been redone. The handles, the latches for the top. The wheels, they're 18-inch Forgeline. Notice the tire's a little taller and fatter in back, gives it just enough stance. But they're forged wheels and they're new. The nubs are still on the tire. Those were just put on. They have different wheels on here. Those are new. The convertible top, the frame is all painted gloss black. All the weather strips are new, and it's upgraded with a nice black German cloth convertible. Very nice and rich looking. All the chrome bumpers, tail lights, the gas cap door, all replaced. It has a power antenna that works. Beautiful. All looking really sharp. Why don't we open it up? I'll show you the custom interior and show you what's under that hood. Take note to just how beautiful this paint is. Absolutely stunning. As I said, even the jambs are slick. Underneath the lid is slick. A little bit of leather, genuine leather throughout the whole interior. Then the convertible top frame is gloss black, new chrome, all new weather strips, and it's a black canvas top. And you can kind of see there's a sound bar, speaker bar back there. And it's all recarpeted. Yeah, jambs are slick in the doors, weather strips replaced, sill plates replaced. Now that's the original door panels, but they are wrapped in leather, so it's all leather and it's stitched. The chrome knobs and handles look like new. The dash pads are covered in leather. Then the instrument panel is all real nice, all brand new gauges. We have one gauge not working and we couldn't match it, so we replaced all of them. That's why it shows 1 mile, but there's actually 400 miles on the car. Quartz movement clock, all the metal trims painted nice. Custom auto sound stereo. Glove box door looks new. Interior lights work. We have kick panel speakers in addition to the speakers in back. Air conditioning vents were neatly installed. Handmade center console, and it's got the automatic with the, I guess we'll call it the slapstick shifter. The seats have the vintage style pattern, but it has the extra bolsters, and then it has the headrest, and this is all leather. The sides of the seats, all of this is leather. And then we have a tilt column. These didn't come with tilt columns. Someone's added that. Custom steering wheel, and if you notice on the turn signal lever, it actually has cruise control, and I was told by the shop that it actually does have that, and it works. New mirror, new visors. I think they're leather too. All the chrome is sparkling. Everything's done. It's beautiful. Yeah, seat belts, newer seat belts. So the motor is a GM Performance all aluminum 6.2 liter LS3 making 495 horsepower. You can see it is fresh and new. It has nice coil covers on there, coated headers. The front of the motor has a polished alternator, modern power steering, serpentine belt with all polished pulleys, polished AC compressor. And then the cooling system is upgraded with aluminum radiator, big electric fan, an overflow bottle, compression clamps on the hoses. And there's some extra chrome, beautiful paint, hydro boost, power brakes, upgraded wiper motor system, new latches. Everything in here is fresh, clean, detailed, and properly installed. Michael's going to show you how nice this thing runs, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. This Corvette is freaking sweet, man. LS3 under the hood, 6.2 liters and 495 horsepower. What an awesome build. Fantastic Restomod here. 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. 308 posi rear end. Get this one out on the highway. Drive it and have some fun, definitely. Feels great going over the bumps. Got a custom chassis, rack and pinion steering, adjustable coilovers. I mean, this thing is really done up everywhere you look, including the undercarriage, and I can only encourage you to go ahead and check out pictures on our website of that, because it is something special, let me tell you. Really functions like a modern car. Got in it, turned the key, turned over right away, and runs really nice. Great sounding exhaust too. Let's see what she's got. All right. Heck yeah. And just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. That's awesome, let me tell you. Real tight revving engine there, runs excellently. Somebody's gonna get a great car here and have a really good time. Just feels amazing. Let's see how it goes down the road. Straight as an arrow, man. I tell you, they really did this one up the right way. And with only like 400 miles on it, somebody's gonna get to enjoy it for a very long time to come. Oh, and don't forget these classic instrument gauges, great choice, whoever picked them out, really fit the car well. Come take it for a test drive if you'd like to. It's a great time, and check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So it does have a complete street shop custom chassis underneath. It has their frame. It's mandrel bent, powder coated. It's actually lighter and stronger than the original. The motor mounts lower in there, so a better center of gravity for better handling. And it's all C4 Corvette, new suspension, aluminum control arms, independent front and back, QA1 coilover, adjustable gas shocks, sway bars, the whole shebang, all custom upgraded suspension. It'll handle so much better than the original. The brake system's all upgraded. It has drilled and slotted disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels, bigger than what the originals would have been. The exhaust, nice fat exhaust, but to keep it fat, they kind of made it kind of like oval, so it's not hanging down and scraping the ground. And so that's all custom made stuff, all welded, and it's all ceramic coated silver. It has a X pipe in the middle, Dynamax mufflers, and it has the stock tips coming out the back there through the valance. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh, aluminum oil pan, high torque starter. It's a 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission, six speed, custom drive shaft, leads back to the rear end, which has an aluminum center section, aluminum axles. So just a fantastic car. Absolute get in, turnkey, just enjoy it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions like how you're going to get your Pro Touring Corvette delivered home. Need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.